Pipeline factory function details. Error check. Did we make WebGL do bad thing? If so, crash. Compile all the vertex shaders, section of ArtGirl INI, conceptually, the render pipeline factory. We will allocate a vertex shader, populate the shader with the correct things, and compile it. Then we will check for errors. If there is no error, put this object into our master array of vertex shaders. Compile all fragment shaders. Analogous process, looping through all the different shader pipelines. Allocate a fragment shader, associate it with the correct source code, compile it, check it for errors. If no error, put that fragment shader in the master array. Create all shader programs. Loop through all of the pipelines, allocate a shader program, get back a handle, throw error if handle is invalid. Do this even though it's right here, just because these three lines of code are analogous. Associate everything together, the program ID, vertex shader ID, and fragment ID. Link the program and use the program, both which can generate errors, so call this. Lastly, when we need to swap out shader programs, when we're using the number keys, the only command we'll need to use is this because we've done all the work ahead of time. Like, subscribe, send me money in the mail.